video, I am going to show you guys how I style my hair and what products I use. So stay tuned and keep on watching. I like to use this. I just got it this week. What I do is, like half an hour before I jump into the shower to wash my hair, I take a good amount of this product and just massage it on my scalp. And if I want to do a deep condition, I'll just add it with the oil, like mix it up, put it in my hair, and then I usually like put a cap or something over it and let it sit for 30-20 minutes. I like to wash my hair with this Shea Moisture product. It's just their shampoo. I always switch it around, so this is the one I have. I really like their products, so that's why I keep using it. Every time they come out with something, I want to try it, but for now this is what I have and this is what I use. Then after I shampoo my hair, I will then use my detangling conditioner. I have always used it as a little girl, so I don't know, I figure maybe incorporate it in my routine. Why not? So this is what I use to detangle my hair in the shower. Once I get that, you know, this hair just tamed and untangle free of tangles. Is that how you say it? Whatever. I will use a microfiber towel. Put it like this, and then you wrap it around, and then your hair goes up, and let the water, like, you know, whatever, dry a little. After I do that, I like to rewind. When I use this product, I like to remove it from my hair. So I would just grab a brush, any type of brush. Don't look at the hair on it because it ain't pretty. But I just like to rinse it and just make sure I get all the product out. So I use the brush for that. Make sure that all the tangles are out. And then I use the cap or the towel. When I come out of the shower, I like to apply a conditioner, and that way my hair is soft. I feel like this makes it easier for me to style my hair. Once I'm ready to style my hair, I will grab my new addition to the family. This is a almond and avocado defining cream gel. It smells amazing, like amazing. I cannot describe the smell. I don't know. I really like it. Woo! Love it. Love it, love it, love it. Alright, so then I would just divide my hair and apply this in small sections and make sure I just get it in, because this is what's going to define the curls. And then when I'm done, I would just like to comb, tame my edges and stuff. So this is a product I use. I bought it when I was out of town. First time I did my edges, and this is the one I picked, so nothing special about it. You can use whatever. So let's get started. Alright guys, so that's basically what I do. Distribute the product into my hair. Let it dry. That's how I like to do it. I want to go ahead and apply castor oil. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to a good amount and flip my hair and apply this. And that is how me, I just like, I don't go all out, not too fancy, just keep it simple, and that's how I like. I do have to trim my hair and cut my ends and retouch my highlights. That was that for the hair. Now I am going to just finish up doing my makeup. This is the look I was going for. Now I have to jump on a conference call, and I will see you guys when I'm done. Not sure how good is the lighting right now. It's pouring rain over here. I just want to go ahead and show you guys what I do after my hair is dry. This is the first time I use this cream gel. Yeah, it's raining. I really like the hold on the curls. We'll see how it looks like tomorrow though. I do like the definition that it gives me. It looks shiny. I like it. Oh my god, this thing. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. I am just gonna end the night with some yummy food and a drink. Have a good night. I forgot to grab that, so hold on. And this is the end result of making a YouTube video behind the scenes. Now I have to pick this up. My hands are covered with product.